Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the clip and applying the effect. Import your footage at the camera's frame rate, then trim to the exact action you need stabilized. Select the layer in the timeline, open Effects and Presets and drag Warp Stabilizer onto that layer. Once applied, After Effects immediately begins to analyze, so make sure the clip is rendered or cached if possible. This saves time and prevents dropped frames while the analysis runs in the background. Once analysis finishes, adjust the key parameters to control how the shot behaves. Start with smoothness. Lower values keep more original movement while higher values reduce shake, adjust to taste. Then pick result, smooth motion if you want natural camera movement, or no motion for locked-off looks. Next, select method. Use subspace warp for complex rolling or parallax, or switch to position, scale, rotation if subspace creates distortions. Make sure to preview short segments to confirm changes before final render. Finalize by choosing framing options to handle edges. Stabilize, crop, autoscale is usually efficient, but choose smooth, crop, or stabilize only for different needs. Once done, scrub and render a short segment to check for warping or scale jumps. If you see distortions, reduce smoothness or switch method to position, scale, rotation. This preserves geometry. If analysis or stabilization freezes, pre-render the layer or increase After Effects RAM and cache settings. That usually solves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.